Hi, my name is Loretta Coleman. I am pleased to introduce you to this property. Quality 2018 Clayton manufactured home with hardy board siding, fully paid 25-year lease solar. Split floor plan with vaulted greatroom, spacious master bedroom/bath with double vanity. Hardwood cabinets in the kitchen, large laundry room, ceiling fans in greatroom and master bedroom but also wired for fans in the 2 guest bedrooms. 1-car garage with workshop behind plus 2 concrete pads and RV parking. Home has a water softener,